What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to start monitoring our water. So right here, we have a product called Frizzlife. This is a smart water monitor and an automatic shutoff valve. So this thing has the ability to detect the smallest of small leaks. All right, you guys, and here you go. Pause it, read it, do what you got to do. Flip it around. This is a 3/4, so they have two sizes for you. Important notice right here, and it says our leak protection device is designed to safeguard your home and prevent significant water damage risk. However, you may still encounter water in your home before the system fully activates to shut off the water supply. Let's get into the fun part now. When you first open the box, you get your user's manual, owner's manual. We'll definitely need this, and this is what it looks like when you open the box. This is pretty big. It seems smaller than this when you look online. Now, my water main pipes are 3/4, but then it reduces to 1/2 inch when it gets to its location. So we take those caps off, and it is beeping. Okay, here it goes. So there goes the interface. Again, we'll get into all of this stuff once I have it hooked up. Here they have a quick guide. You can see it, pause it so you can read it. All right, so here it says inlet. So this is where water goes in, and then you have your outlet where water goes out. Adapter for your charger. You have your wire. We're definitely gonna need tape, washers, and they give you 2 extra washers in this, and that's it. So make sure you put your washer in, you guys, when you hook this stuff up. When you put your washer in, and twist. All right, so you put this in like this. Make sure you put your washer in. Always make sure you use your washers, you guys. Washer, gasket, whatever, you need to use it, or else you will have a leak and you will have to do it all over again, and that's not fun. All right, so we're gonna put this on here. This is to use as a secondary source, okay? And that's it. You do not replace your water main with this shutoff valve because it's electronic and it can malfunction, and then you will have no other way to shut off your water unless you go outside to your shutoff valve for your street water. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.